Good morning, myself Ashish Desai, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department. Today I am presenting a 3D model using Autodesk Fusion 360. So this is tutorial number 5. So these are the components we will discuss with Fusion 360. So first of all, we enter into the Fusion. Now we concentrate on this first job. So here this is semicircle, so which is having radius 30, and this is about 50 width, and this creating a slot for that purpose. 30 is the length and 10 is the width. So first of all we construct this semicircle, and then we move for this feature, and then we create the rib. So first of all we enter into the Fusion, then next create design workplace, then create a sketch, select this plane, go to the front side, then go to the circle, center circle, then is the radius is about 60 then again go to the rectangle mode, center point rectangle, this is about 20 and this about 30, then go to the line command, you divide this component for trimming out of the unwanted part. So this is trimmed part which is not required over here, then we can remove this part. So likewise we can form this component. Now we extrude it for 50, so we extrude it in a symmetric manner, so you can consider symmetric. So it is 25 for each side, so that's why 25 both sides. Say okay. So this is regarding the geometry. Now we know that we're creating this feature. For that purpose, the center to center distance is 60, so 60, and this width is about 16, 16. After that, so for that purpose, create sketch, select this plane, go to the front side, then pan it. Now we know that the same line is from this end to this point is 60, then this top of the edge is about 16, then create the line, this edge is about 30, and we can join it over here. Now we make finish sketch, go to the home, extrude it on both sides, so that's why it's considered a symmetric manner. So this symmetric manner we consider for this 34 because radius is given to 17. So this is, we select here 17 17. See okay. Now we move for here with cap is created, so we again go to the extrude command, select this edge, and then enter into extend to object, right, and select this job, or you can select this job. Say okay. After that it should be correctly joined. Next point is we create the reef first. So for that purpose, construct offset plane. The total length is 50. So we create the offset is up to -25 because total is 50. Say okay. Then go to the create sketch, select this plane, go to the that front surface. Then we can move like this, create line, and this point we can fetch it. So to this 20. Now we move for this object to this object, say okay, then go to the finish sketch, go to the home, then create a reap command, So repeat, select this rib. So this is for 5 mm for symmetric manner. So this is total length is 10 because it is given that thickness is 10. Now we move for this feature. So this feature is having diameter 34, sorry, diameter 34, right? And inside is diameter is 16. So first of all, we enter into the sketch mode, go to the top of the surface. Now create a circle. So that circle point is here, and then this is for 34. Say okay. Go to the home, then extrude for, that is about minus 16. So okay. After that, we create a circle. So for that purpose, go to the top surface, select this plane surface, go to top, then create a circle. So circle we can draw for 16 mm. Now make a concentric one. After that, finish sketch, go to the home, extrude command, and remove by this cut operation. Say okay. So this is about first job. Now we use appearance mode to this job. So for the purpose, press A button from the keyboard and select the body's component, and then select the color as per your choice. Okay, so this is about the appearance. That's it. Now we move for second job. So this is the 100 mm, 40 mm, and this is the 70 mm. So 100 mm is the length. So first of all, we construct this. Go to the right hand side, create a line. So this is about 100 mm, right? So okay. Then go to the line command up to 40 mm. Then go to the line command. So this is about 20 plus 10, so 30, right? 20 plus 1 30. Then moves down for 20 because this is total 40 and this is 20, so that's why it becomes 20. So this is about 20. Now we get finish sketch. Go to the extrude command by pressing E button, and this is for 70 mm. So it is given in the figure 70 mm. Say okay. So this is 70 mm. Now we create this slant edges. So this is slant edge is from 15 mm. So from this bottom surface 15 mm is there, and this we divide this into parts. So one part is 35, 35, and then here this geometry will forms for that is 15 mm on that side. So first of all, we offset, sorry, go to the top surface, select the line command. So here, so this is about 50 mm. So I put the 50 mm over here. Right, and then again we select the line command. So this is about 15, 15. Say okay. After that, we go to this point. This is also 15 mm. Then we can join this line. Now symmetrically we can join over here also. Say okay. Then select a rectangle, center point rectangle over here. So this is the midpoint, and this is about 60, and this is about 30. Sorry, 25. Say okay. Finish sketch. Go to the home. Extrude command. Select these edges and go to the bottom side. So material will remove like this. Now we construct this profile now. So this is about 10 by 15. So this is 10 by 15 because total is 70. So divided after that it is 20 becomes, and here 15. So 10 by 15 is block is here, and then 20 and this remaining block. So first of all we enter into the create sketch, select the surface, go to the top surface. Now we select the line, select the rectangle, 2-point rectangle. So this is about 10 by 15. So put the 10 value and here 15 value and 5. Say okay. So after that, select 2-point rectangle, go to this side. So this is about 20 20. So this 20 is here and here also 20. So say okay. Similarly, you can form a two line center. So here also form 10. Sorry, here 10 by 20. So 10 is here. Above the side is 20. Say okay. After that, again form rectangle, 2-point rectangle. So this is about 20 20. This is also 20. So here, sorry, I can change over here. Do rectangle, 2-point rectangle. Select over here. This is 10, right? And this is about 20. Say okay. So sorry, this is 15. So just this 15. Now we move for next rectangle. So here, start from this end to this end. So this is 20. Both are 20. Say okay. Finish sketch. Go to the home. Extrude command. Select this face, and this is about 15. So I consider here 15. So okay. So before that, know that this edge. So create the line. Now this job is created over here. Now we move for this face. Here we look at this feature. Then we know that this feature is close to that. So it is deep in the section. So for that purpose I select again create sketch, go to the top surface, go to this side, And again, I create a line command from this point to this point. Then go to the home, create orbit manner, then go to the extrusion and it is put on the side. Say OK. So this is the geometry we required over here. Now we go for appearance mode. So we select appearance to the system and then say OK. So this is about second job. Now we create here the first geometry. So in this video we selected this geometry first, then select this second geometry. So this is the fifth tutorial. Thank you.